Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're tackling an important topic that affects many job seekers: job scams. We'll discuss how these scams work, why they're so effective, and most importantly, how you can avoid falling victim to them. Let's dive in. Job scams often start with fake job postings on legitimate job boards, classifieds, or social media. Scammers use attractive job titles, promising salaries, and benefits to lure potential victims. Once they've made contact, they may ask for personal information, require payment for training materials, or even send fake checks for accidental overpayment, asking the victim to send back the difference. In the end, the victim is left without a job, and possibly with financial loss or identity theft. Why job scams work? Job scams are effective for a few reasons. First, scammers prey on job seekers' desperation and eagerness to find employment, especially in a competitive job market. Second, fake job postings can look very convincing, making it difficult for job seekers to spot the scam. Lastly, a lack of awareness about job scams can make people more vulnerable to these deceptions. To protect yourself from job scams, watch out for these red flags. Requests for personal information, such as social security numbers or bank account details, early in the hiring process. Job offers without an interview or with minimal communication. Requests for payment for training materials, background checks, or other fees. Unsolicited job offers or offers that seem too good to be true. Poor grammar, spelling, or unprofessional language in job postings or communication. To avoid job scams, follow these tips. Research the company. Verify the company's legitimacy by checking their website, reviews, and social media presence. Be cautious with personal information. Don't share sensitive information until you're certain the job offer is legitimate. Never pay for a job. Legitimate employers will not ask you to pay for training, materials, or other fees. Trust your instincts. If something seems off or too good to be true, it probably is. Use trusted job boards. Stick to reputable job boards and websites with built-in safety features. Job scams can be devastating, both emotionally and financially. By staying informed and being cautious when searching for jobs online, you can protect yourself and your loved ones. Remember, while the prospect of finding a job can be exciting, it's crucial to remain vigilant and protect yourself from potential scams. If you suspect you've encountered a job scam, report it to the appropriate authorities. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the bell icon so you never miss an update from us. Please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends. Stay informed, stay vigilant, and good luck in your job search.